In this video, I'm going to show you how our team uses some of the Microsoft collaboration tools to work together more efficiently on shared projects. So on my screen now you can see the computer file explorer where I have access to our BIS documents all staff folder as well as my department folder. And you'll see a folder down here that probably looks unfamiliar because I created this specifically for our team to store documents and work together on projects associated with BIS Has Talent. So this is how it's represented in my computer's file explorer, this icon down here. And I apologize, my computer is running Windows 11, so my taskbar probably looks a little bit different than you're used to, but all these icons are still the same. So I'm going to go over here to Chrome and show you how this is all interconnected. So you'll see this is my Outlook inbox here where I access all of my emails, and this is how you can access SharePoint online. So if you go to your Outlook over to your application launcher, click those 9 dots, you can navigate down and find SharePoint. If it's not in this group of apps, click the All Apps link and it should bring you to a longer list where you can find and click on SharePoint. It will bring you to a site that should look similar to this site where it has the frequent sites associated with those folders that I showed you in the File Explorer. So here, the BIS Documents All Staff folder, here's my department folder, and here is my BIS Has Talent folder / site that I created for our team to collaborate on. So I'm going to click into this site where you'll see our home page. I've explained a little bit about how to use this home page for our team when they come to this site here, and I've added some clickable widgets where more information is stored about last year's event and our planning processes for this year's event. But in this video, I want to direct you over here to our site navigator where I'll click on my document library. So you might notice that this looks familiar, similar to the computer's File Explorer down here. All of the same 5 folders are represented here as well as on the internet version. So I can click into one of these folders, and would you look at that, there's the PowerPoint that I currently have open for this presentation. I'm going to click that open in my internet browser. And you'll see that I have access to this PowerPoint and I am able to edit it online in the web version of PowerPoint. So you'll see down here the slide that we just reviewed. I'm going to make this accessible and show you 2 different versions and how we use this. So on this left side, you will see the PowerPoint desktop application open on my computer with this same PowerPoint that is open on the web application in Chrome. So same document, 2 different types of application. So I am going to work on this PowerPoint on the on the desktop application, and you'll actually see over here, it popped up my name as the other teammate. So if I was working in the web application version, I can see that Sheridan is working on this PowerPoint as well. So I want to add a new bullet right here. And you will have noticed potentially that that new bullet line was added in real time on this version of the PowerPoint. So if you watch this area here, I'm going to do the same thing, but in the web application. So I'm just going to delete that new bullet. I didn't like it. And you will have noticed that it got deleted in real time. So the beautiful thing about using SharePoint, whether it is in the web application or it is on a desktop application, is all of the changes that your team makes are done in real time. Nothing is lost, and there's no reason to attach documents to files, to check in with each other, whether changes have been completed or not. Your entire team can work at their own pace whether they want to work on the web application on the internet or if they want to work in the PowerPoint application on their desktop. It doesn't matter. All changes are recorded in real time. So it really helps to streamline documents and communication and reduce the amount of errors that are made when lots of different people are working on one document.